How's this? All good? This is it. The initial consultation. How much should you be charging for an interior design and decorating consultation? You may not like the answer that I have for you, so stick around though in this video. And if you want to see more videos on making your interior design business a success, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. It's the red button, and then hit the little bell so you get your notifications to see when I publish new videos just for you. And I also have a free download for you, which is my packages and rates sheet. That will basically give you an idea of what to charge. So make sure that you stick around to the end of the video or click in the link below and grab that. And stick around to the end of the video too. How much should you charge for an initial consultation? This comes up a lot in my Interior Design Business Strategies Facebook group. Here's the thing. There are so many variables that if I told you what to charge just randomly and I didn't really know you and I wasn't coaching you and knew a little bit about your background, I would be doing you a disservice. So it's really important that, when you are in these groups or when you're saying what should I charge, you need to look at a few key points. One being, what's your experience? I mean, how long have you been in business? If you're just starting out the gate, you're probably not going to be charging $200 an hour. If you are, good for you. But typically, $75 an hour, $100 an hour, $150, $125. It's got to be a place where you're comfortable in charging your client for that hourly rate. The other thing that you want to consider, which I just mentioned, was your location. I mean, I'm just outside Toronto, and we could drive 45 minutes to an hour up the road, and the gals in Toronto charge, or guys charge more than me, and the designers that are maybe the other way and they're more in a rural area, they don't charge as much as what I charge. It really is going to depend on where your location is. What's the demand in your area for the services that you provide? And lastly, the other thing that you really want to consider is who's your target audience? I mean, if you're going to be a high-end luxury designer, then yeah, charge $200 an hour. Charge upwards of $500 an hour. If you are hitting that luxury market, custom only, and you want to get those clients, then you're going to be wanting to charge more. If you're doing a DIY and that's your business model, and you say, hey, I can help with the 2-hour consult, or I can help you shop at thrift places, or help you online, then your business model is very different to somebody who is the high-end luxury designer. Do you see what I mean? So it's really important then maybe you are $100 an hour. I really don't recommend you be less than $100 an hour, to be honest. You are offering a great service, and you're running a business, and you need your business to be profitable. And the very last thing, even though I already said lastly, is that I really want you to be aware of, what are you comfortable with? That's what it's all about. Because if you hear that your friend is charging $250 an hour and you're like, I should be $250 an hour, but you're really not comfortable charging that, it's going to show, and you're not going to be, confident in what you're doing. And the very last thing that you want to consider is that you want to be organized. You want to be confident. If you're not confident, then you are not going to be, charging what you're worth. And I really feel that a lot of designers and decorators do not charge what they're worth. And a lot of it comes down to the fact that you're not confident. Maybe you haven't got your processes in place. That's where I definitely can help you with that. So be sure that you check in the description below and go to my website at www.clairejefford.com, and there will be information there for you to shop my page. Like, really, I have created a lot of fabulous resources that's going to make your life easier. Rock the initial consultation. My process all the way from the start of the actual first discovery call to the end of the initial consultation. I take you through the whole process. You actually see what it looks like to be in a consultation with me, and all of the templates. I think there's over 20, I believe. So you don't have to think about, what kind of responses you're going to give to clients, as well as all the templates to complete. So you're going to look like a rock star. That's why I call it how to rock the consultation. When you're there with your client, it's already done for you. You just have to tailor it for you with your logo and some information there. So please check that out. It's really important. I've gotten great feedback from it, and that's why I can't necessarily tell you exactly what to charge for a consultation. I'm Claire Jefford. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're like, hey, this was kind of crappy, you didn't tell me exactly what I want to hear, give me a thumbs down. I got thick skin. I can deal with it. Whatever you do, I'd like to see you subscribe to my channel, and if you want to share this video, please do so, and I'll see you next time. So there you go. There's my Saturday. A little bit of inspiration for you is that, no one said it was going to be rainbows, unicorns, and everything else that Gary Vee said there. I mean, this is hard work. This is business. You just got to keep working at it, and eventually you will get heard and people will notice you.